Rachel and today I'm back with another video. This time we're going to be doing an unboxing of an advent calendar. Now you've got no idea which advent calendar it is, but I do, and I am super excited because I know how good last year's was. So I'll give you a little clue. You should be able to tell which shop it is from this washi. Of course, I'm talking about Krels Creations, and I'm so excited to get this. So I didn't actually get the advent calendar last year in full. What happened was Christine, because she's just so amazing, sent me a message afterwards and was like, I've got some advent spares, do you want them? And I was like, yes. I really regretted not buying it. I didn't have the funds last year to buy too many advent calendars. And so I missed out on so many that I wanted, but I'm glad that I was able to pick this one up this year. So we are going to unbox this entire thing in one go. So that leads me to a spoiler alert. I am going to open this entire advent calendar, so if you don't want to know what's in here, then you need to click off and come back for a different video. But if you do, then stick by, because we're about to get in this now. So as you can see, I've not opened it at all. I just took it out of the box that had my address on it. So let's get in here. I am of course on the Krels Creations PR team, so I do have a code. It wouldn't have worked with the advent calendar, but you can use it on the website against the other stuff. It's Rachel15 and it will get you one of my freebies as well. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get in here then. Ooh, oh, the vellum. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so we have got the cutest piece of vellum. Unfortunately, my naughty postman has made a hole in my box and it has gone through to the vellum. Never mind though, it doesn't matter. But let's get that away. Oh no, it's gone through here as well. Oh, that's a shame. I would have liked to use that because I had that in my book log for 2023. Never mind, these things happen. But it looks like you get a journaling card on the top for 2024. How weird does it feel to say 2024? Where did this year go? Anyway, that is super cute. I love that. And then we are into all of the little things. Now, it looks like nothing else is damaged. So if all I've lost is a little journaling card, that's fine. I can deal with that. Let's get this out the way. Look at the packaging. The packaging is so cute. Oh, no prizes for guessing what's in these things. I think I know what's in these things. So we'll open them in the right order. Is this a 12-day? This is a 12-day advent calendar. That's heavy, whatever's in there. Yeah, this is a 12-day advent calendar. So we will start with number 1. Let's move this to the side then. And then you can just focus on what I'm opening. Now I'm going to take an educated guess that this is some washi tape. And I love the washi tape from Krels Creations. Guys, look at the packaging on this. It's even foiled. It's a gorgeous purpley foil. That's incredible. I'm going to save these for sure. I'm going to try not to ruin them. I'm going to save them. So, oh, here we go. Day number 1. We have got a super cute floral washi. This is very on brand for Krels Creations. All pastels and sort of kawaii drawings. That's gorgeous. I love that. Then we're going to go on to day number 2, which is another washi. It looks like we're going to get all of the washis in one go. Oh, this one's cute. So this one is very springy. And we've got a blue washi. We've got some weather on it. Bike ride. Very, very sweet. And then that's going to bring us on to day 3. Day number 3 is this one, which is, I think it looks another springy one. Looks like we're having a day on the farm with this one. Look at that rainbow. I don't know whether it's some kind of sign, but I've seen loads of rainbows lately. Is it meant to be good luck? I know there's meant to be a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. But just in general, seeing a rainbow, is that good luck? Does anybody know? Day number 4. Oh, my favourite type of washi, like stationery and stuff. This one is almost like, sort of, it reminds me of like Cinderella. And she's got her beautiful dress and her... It's a self-love one, isn't it? It's all the gorgeous things that we love to pamper ourselves with. I've got a perfume bottle like that. It's adorable. Then that's going to take us on to day number 5. We've got 3 washis left, I think. Oh, this one's stunning. Oh, my favourite one yet. So we've got an ombre pink to blue, and we've got all the stars down there at the bottom in all different colours. And we've got a little sprinkling of silver foil on there as well. Then we're going to move on to day number 6. Oh, Ooh, a stationery themed one. So cute. These are my favourite types of washies. I love this kind of vibe. I feel like I want to use them all the time. They just fit in with so many different themes. And then it looks like this is the last washi in the kit. So we have got day number 7. And this one is a nighttime themed one. This is what you do before you go to bed to chill out after a hard day at work. How cute is that? I love all of those. I'll get use out of all of those washes. They are definitely up my street. But excitingly, that takes us on to day number 8, which looks like it is something different. And as I'm feeling it, I can feel a coil there. Also, this is that gorgeous vellum, isn't it? I want to try and save as much of this as I can. It's obviously going to rip wherever the label is on it. But I'm definitely going to try and save as much as I can. So let's get in here and see what we've got. Whoop. It's sticking to me. Is this a little notebook? Oh, I think I just saw the words on it. This is what I think it is. I'm so excited. It's a sticker book, it is. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's so cute. It says 448 premium matte stickers. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's got loads of little mini sheets in. Oh, this is amazing. This is utterly amazing. If I was ever... Oh, that matches the washi. I love this. I wonder if there's a kit in the shop with this. If there is, I'm going to get it. That's gorgeous. I haven't yet taken any of my planners to work. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I said that I've got a new job now. I don't feel like I'm ready to be that crazy girl that turns up with like planners and stickers yet. But if I just wanted to like hide in the staff room on my own at dinner time, just with my diary and just a few sneaky stickers, this is the thing, isn't it? I love that. That's my favourite sheet, those 2 sheets. Then we've got the self-love. These are all matching to the washes that we've just got, I've just realised. These are pretty. Planner supplies. I feel like this whole vibe is a bit of a signature thing, particularly these planners here. You see those quite a lot across Krels Creations and I really, really love it. Oh, some date covers. Some alphabet letters. I think was there more date covers? There's more date covers. Oh, this is amazing. And some more alphabet letters. That I love. I don't think I've ever had an advent calendar with anything like that in it before. Not that's coming to my mind. I love that. That's amazing. So let's move on to day number 9 then. Day number 9. Oh, we've got some post-it notes. And I know I just said that I've not been crazy enough to take in my planner and to take in some stickers, but I have taken in some of my own sticky note pads because they're just so cute and I have a lot of them, and this is going to go to work with me, I think. That's absolutely gorgeous. It's got the wildflower design around the side. Love it. Day number 10 then. Let's see what's in here. It's very thin, but we are quite heavy. We have got a key ring, little key ring with this cute little owl guy on. How cute. Then let's move on to day number 11. Now this is quite heavy as well. I'm not sure what's in here. Feels like it could possibly be a notebook. Past the parcel, everything's got like 2 layers on it. Okay, what is in here? An acrylic pen holder. What's this? Remove the protective film prior to assembly. Should we have a go at putting this together? Okay, Okay, we'll leave that edge off until I'm putting it together properly, but you can see what that's going to be. So that's going to be on that side there. But look at this. It says it's like a little pen pot, but you could use it to store anything you wanted in there. Oh, I love that. That is super cute. Really love that. Love that a lot. That might be my favourite thing that's in the advent calendar so far. So what day does that take us to then? It must be day number 12. Was that day 11? There is also a pen in here as well, I'm noticing. This does not have a day on it, so I'm going to presume that this is just a cheeky little extra that we're getting. Can I get in here? It's knotted. Okay. Oh, I love this. So we've got a white glittery barrel. I'm not sure if the glitter is picking up on the camera, but it is a glittery barrel. We've got some silver hardware, and then inside of the little gel barrel, we've got all white, silver and pink glitter. And then we've got the little Krels Creations heart on the barrel there as well. Oh, that's gorgeous. I think I'm going to take that to work as well. Everyone else is using like black biros, and I keep rocking up with my own stationery, and there's one other woman that works there, and she's a bit stationery crazy like me, and she's like, oh, where did you get that? I love it. And I'm like, I'm so glad there's somebody here that gets it, because I think everybody else just thinks I'm crazy. So we're on to the last day, which is day number 12, and this is definitely some kind of notebook. Now, I've never had a notebook from Krels Creations before. I've had one in my basket a couple of times, but I've never checked out with it. I've always switched it for something else. So I am quite excited to get a hold of this and to see what I think. Ooh. So in here we've got the notebook. We have got a tan notebook. That's very pretty. We've got a silver pen there. It says a B6 gridline notebook. We've got 120 GSM off-white paper, 224 pages, a PU soft leather cover, and it does feel nice. Let's have a little look in here, because I believe that you can buy similar to these in the shop. Like I said, I've never actually bought one before, but I've always been tempted, but I've never quite gone through with it. It feels lovely. It feels really lovely, actually. So it's a soft cover. We've got the off-white paper, and we have got lots of grid inside. It actually feels quite thick. Yeah, that's quite thick paper. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Yeah, I really like that. So that's that. And then what was this that it came with? There's just a little something extra here, and I think we've got a couple of stickers, haven't we? Oh, we've got a This Planner Belongs To. And we've also got a 2024. That's beautiful. I love that. That's absolutely beautiful. So that's everything that was in this year's Krels Creations 12 Days of Christmas. If I pull it all to the front, you can see it all there, but I am really, really happy with this. I definitely think it was value for money. Everything is so cute. Should we play the game of what I will use and what I won't use? That's really simple, because it is all in the will use pile. I'm going to use everything in this. There's nothing in this that I don't want. Nothing that I'm going to give away. I think, yeah, absolutely everything. Even all of the washes. I loved all of the washes. So yeah, that was everything that was in the Krels Creations Advent Calendar. I hope you picked one up yourself. If you did, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. But for now, that's going to be it from me for today. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I'll love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye!